Beep boop bop, it's Becca, and welcome back to Baking with Becca. So today we're going to make a nice, quick, fun, easy recipe. We're going to make mini chocolate chip muffins. Now this type of recipe I make all the time whenever I have friends over because they're just so easy and nice, just pick up and eat little muffins. So I'm super excited, let's get started. So here are all the ingredients for our muffins. Let's start over here. We have a 1/4 cup of margarine, 3/8 cup of sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a tablespoon of vinegar, half teaspoon of baking soda, 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, half a cup of rice milk, and chocolate chips. Okay, so first we're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Don't forget, kids. Okay, so now we are going to cream together our margarine, which is softened. You can microwave it for like 20 seconds. You want to mix that together with your sugar. I like to use a whisk because it's easy to combine everything. Nice and simple, just like that. You can already tell it's getting quite fluffy. Next, you want to add in your vanilla. And then you want to make your egg substitute. So this is a baking soda and vinegar solution. It's going to get nice and fizzy. Then you can add that in and give it a nice whisk. Another nice thing about this recipe is that it all just goes into one bowl, so you don't have to have so many bowls to clean. So next we're going to add in our flour, our baking powder and salt, and we can also add our rice milk right in with it. Now this is going to get pretty thick since it's muffins. It's like a nice dense it's going to be nice, like dense and cakey, and so go ahead and mix this up. Now this batter you can really use for a lot of different types of muffins or cake desserts. You can add whatever topping or filling that you want. I like chocolate chips. It's my favorite. So our batter is looking good, and now we want to add in our chocolate chips. So this is kind of based on your preference, how chocolatey you like your muffins. So I'm going to pour some in, mix it up, and see how it looks. I'm just going to add the rest of them. So that was a little bit over half a cup. Okay, now we're ready to spoon this into our mini pan. Okay, so I sprayed a 24 pan of mini muffin cupcake thing. And so what you want to do is just take, you could probably use a smaller spoon, scoop a little bit, put it right in. So you want to fill it pretty much all the way because they're not going to expand that much. And this batter makes just about 24. Okay, so we have all 24 ready here, and we're going to pop these in the oven for about 10 minutes. And also you can go by the rule that if you stick a toothpick in and it comes out clean, then that means that they're ready. So they'll also be a little bit golden around the edges. So the muffins are done. I let them cool for like 5 minutes, but they don't really have to cool for that long because they're so small. They cool fast. Let's try one. I want this one. Here we go. Wow, those are amazing. They're so nice and like soft, and fluffy. And I just love that they're mini and they're so cute. You can just grab one and eat it. And the chocolate chips, they such a nice flavor together. So I really like this recipe. I hope you like it too. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Also, make sure to subscribe. Let me know any other videos that you want me to make, any other recipes to try. Check out some of my other videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye!